Hi, this is Kenny Ingram. I'm here to talk to you tonight. I'm making a video about a cryptocurrency that a lot of people probably don't know about. It's called Key Money. It's actually a cryptocurrency that is a coins that are transferred between peer to peer, individual to individual. I'm here at their website, kimuni.io. And if you scroll down, they are assets. They are assets that you purchase and can trade. You can use it as a currency. The nice thing about them is that there are no transaction fees. Unlike Bitcoin, when you buy and sell Bitcoin, you use your Bitcoin wallet ID to transfer from person to person, and you're actually leaving out the third party, such as banks or PayPal or stuff like that. But you still have to pay a transaction fee. With Key Money, there are no transaction fees. The coin is actually secure in a vault, and you purchase coins and they put them into your vault, and then you can buy and sell from your vault to other people. We'll go over the pricing here in a minute, but I just wanted to kind of introduce you a little more about them. Quantum proof security. They are secure in the blockchain that they operate from. They are ecological assets, which means that their servers are all 100% solar powered. They are traded hand to hand. They have different classes, and you can actually swap between these asset classes and actually arbitrage between them. You can actually trade with other people between the classes as well. Frictionless assets. There are no transaction fees or account keeping fees of any kind. And totally ultimate privacy. There's no ledger or transaction log. There's no third party visibility. There's no personally identifiable information, not even an email address. You actually create your vault, deposit your coins into the vault. And that vault is stored on the Key Money blockchain. After you create your vault, you can make a backup of it and copy it to a thumb drive and carry it with you. So you have your Vault Master copy with you at all times. Another thing, since they're pretty much new for 2019, they have minting discounts. They have any discounts anywhere from 2.87 up to 33%. We actually are involved with them, and we put some money in. The money has grown incredibly. So let me show you some of the assets. They have the Key Money coin, which is indexed to 1 gram of silver. They've got the Key Lion coin, which is indexed to the US dollar. The Key Bitcoin, which is indexed to Bitcoin. The Key Silver, which is indexed to the price of silver. And Key Gold, which is indexed to gold price. Then Key Platinum, Key Diamond, Key Oil, all indexed to their sources, platinum, diamond, and oil. And then the Key Token, which is indexed to 10 Bitcoin. They've always got specials going on too. They had a September special for giving out gold bullion to people that start up new accounts. They had a vault gift to owners that were in before the 31st of August. We got a nice little $285 gift gold coin. If you're someone that's looking into getting into something that is new, that like when Bitcoin started, people bought in for 89 cents and now it's at $8,000. This is something that would definitely be a commodity that is going to be around for a while. Let me log into our account and kind of show you what we have, just to give you an example. Okay, we're logged into our account, And you can see we've bought the Key Money coin. We've bought the Key Lion coin, which is indexed to the US dollar. We've bought the Key Bitcoin coin, some silver and gold coins. And we actually purchased about $600 worth. The rest of them were gifts from a private club that we're involved with called WealthBot, where they actually gave coins away to their members. And actually, Key Money is actually giving away coins too for those that are in. We received a gift from Key Money, this Key Gold, and it was purchased at $298, the minting discount, and it's worth $479.77. That was given to us. So our total assets is $3,659. I can't complain about those kind of returns. So if you're interested, we can actually help you get started. If you go to their home page and click on resources, the resources page shows you all about who they are, the news, their bullion bull giveaway, the affiliate program that they've got set up, videos on how to get started, how to set up your vault, and a whole bunch of other good stuff. Facebook group, an example vault, the minting discount. Their affiliate program, if you share it with other people, they actually reward you if you've purchased more than $100 using the same vault. And then you just use your Key Motion code to give out to others, and when they sign up, then you're credited with that sign up through your Key Motion code. When they sign up, they get a 33% discount on top of the minting discount. So it's kind of like buying at a 50% discount. So I invite you to check it out. Here's a screenshot of our Key Motion code. If you set up your vault and you put in the Key Motion code of Planet Thirst as you're signing up, it'll give you a 33% discount on your coins. And then below that is the link that we will use for people to sign up with. So when you access that link, it brings you to this page, and then you just click on Vault, and then open or create a vault. Create my vault. Give it a vault name and a combination password. Go through the instructions. Create the vault. And we can't create one here because we already have one. But the next step, it'll ask you for the Key Motion code. And that's where you type in Planet Thirst. So we're here if you have any questions. Comment on this video if you're interested, or get in touch with us. We're at getadailyincome.com. You can use the contact button. We're always involved with awesome money-making programs such as this. So we look forward to hearing from you, and I'm happy to see that there's so many income producing opportunities out there. This is a passive income stream where you don't have to promote anything if you don't want to. You can get additional coins if you do, but if you just want to buy coins and sit on them, and then a couple years from now realize that that $600 you invested is now worth a couple $1,000,000. Ooh, you don't know. Could be. God bless, and we look for you signing up. We look forward to seeing you sign up, and we look forward to helping you in any way we can. Thanks.